Hey guys, it's Leah, and today I have 8 animal dreams to open. So we have pink, green, blue, and orange. So let's start opening them. So first, I'm going to open up the pink. So let's see what's in this. Okay, now I figured it out. Ooh, let's see what kind of animal we got. Aw, it's a little piggy. Looks so cute. Now, let's see what kind of accessories he got. Aw, it's a little pony hat. Let's put it on him. Here we go.
Cute.
And then, after we get his little bowl out, I'm going to see what his name is. His name is Piglet.
Fitting for a pig.
Alright, let's see what's in the blue one. Okay. We have a little eagle. Looks so cute. So this side. And then here's his little party hat. Just put it on his little head. Put it right next to the pig. And then let's get out his little bowl. Wonder what his name's going to be. And now, time to check what his name is. Let's see. His name is Iggy.
Iggy the eagle.
Right there. Okay, time to open up the orange one. Let's see what's inside. Put that over there. And that's going to be. So excited. Aww, it's a raccoon. He has glitter on its top. And then here's a little crown. He's king of the raccoons.
Ooh, he's got a crown hat.
He's a little birthday one then. Hey. Let's put him right there. Can't really stand up because of a big head. Okay. Here's his little food bowl. Now let's see what his name is. His name is Raccoon.
Very original.
Yep, very original. Okay, let's see what's in this orange one. So excited. Let's put it over here with the rest of them. So I have 4 down and 4 more to go. Aww, cutie. Let's see where his little hat is. Wow, it's not in the bag.
Drop it. It's right there.
Aw, here it is. It's a little bow.
Ooh.
Let's put it on him. See how he looks. And he has the same bow he has the same bowl as the pig. Here's the bow.
Very cute.
He can't stand up. I'm knocking over everything. Here, I'll just lay him down like that. Since he's not standing up for me. Put the food bowl right there. Okay, now I'm opening up the first green one. I wonder what's gonna be inside. Put it over there with the rest. I only have 3 more. Let's see what's in here. So excited. Oh, we got... It looks like a cat or something. I don't really know what it is. And then this is its little hat. It looks like a little butterfly. Looks really cool.
Yeah, it does look like a cat.
I don't know how it's supposed to go. I'm just going to put it like that. Here. And right over there. Now let's check out its food bowl. There it is. It's blue. Whoops. There. Now let's see what its name is. Let's see. Where is that cute little cat? His name is Hamster. He's a hamster.
Oh, it's a hamster.
There he is. Get a little closer look of him. And then let's check out his little accessories. It looks like little bird wings. It goes on his butt. There they are.
Interesting.
He's a flying dog. Okay, let's check out his food bowl. Ooh, it's yellow. Right there. Now let's see what his name is. I'm just going to open it up all the way. Okay. His name is Puppy.
Puppy? I would have never guessed.
That's a weird name. That's a weird name for a puppy. Okay, let's open up this next green one. Let's see what is in here. There we go. Let's put this over there, but not that one. Can rise up. See its name. This one looks like another little raccoon, just different.
Got a sparkly face.
Yeah. Here's its little food bowl. It's pink. And then its little party hat. Oh, he looks so cute.
Very cute.
Right, it's time to open up the last one. I almost knocked all this stuff off of the table when I put that back. Well, I can already see it. I got twinsies.
You got twinsies. Which one is that?
It's the piggy.
Oh, you got the same piggy?
It's Piglet.
Same hat too?
Yes, same time.
Oh my gosh.
You should have grabbed a different box.
Yeah, that's alright. Now you get two brothers or sisters or whatever.
I think this is our brother. I'm going to put him right next to him.
Oh man, same color bowl too.
Yeah.
Wow. I think the pig one's rare too, and we got two of them.
Oh, I can't believe we ran into each other. Yeah. We're in Paris, right? Yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh! I can't believe we ran into the two piglets now. What is happening? We're running into everyone. Yay! Hop, hop, hop. Oh no, my party cat fell off. Sorry guys, we can't play. We're heading to a party. Yeah. Yay, we're there first. The party one isn't there yet. Oh no, I'm here. Oh! Eagle's coming too. Oh no. Don't worry, he's not gonna eat you. Oh. Coco! Or whatever. Hello everyone, I'm an eagle. Hi Eagle. Yeah, hi. Oh my gosh, you guys are two twinsies and you guys have the same names. That is just weird. Do you want to go to the party? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Can we come to your party too? Puppy? Yeah, sure. Yay. What about Hamster and Ducky? Or whatever his name is. Oh yeah, they're coming too. Yay. All of us will be here. Na, 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 na. Hello, we're here at your party. Arf, arf, yay. Oh wait, my ducky mom is calling you. I need to go. Mommy, stop calling. You're not a birthday party. What, sweetie? You need to come home. No, you're not a special birthday party, and don't call me anymore. Fine. Sorry about that. My mom wanted me to come home for something important, but I don't think it's something important, because anytime I come home, she says it's important. It's not. It's just a surprise, and it's just a cat. Hey, it's just like me, but I'm just a hamster. Yeah, I know that. Well, looks like he just passed out, and the birthday one did. Okay, looks like I'm going home and heading to sleep. Oh wait, I'm just going to go into whatever cage I see first and go to sleep in it. I'm tired too. I'm going to get mine now. Put them in there. Well, I'm staying at the birthday party, but I'm going to bring the birthday dog home and put him into his little cage. There we go. And I'm going to bring the duck home and put him into cage 2. Put him right there. Okay. Anyone had to sleep? No. Okay, whatever. Whoa. Eagle, what do you eat? No, don't eat my birthday hat. Peck, 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 peck. I wonder why he's just pecking at wood. Yeah, he's a hawk, not a woodpecker. Yeah. Aw, everyone left. Looks like I'm getting into my cage too. Okay, so you guys comment down below if you guys have animal jams. Make sure that you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!